Function is a relation between the two non-empty sets under the same conditions. So the elements of the two sets are connected, are related by the function. So this is one left side set and the right side set. The left side set is called the domain and the right side set is called the codomain. The elements of the domain are pre-images. They are pre-image. These are the pre-images. So here the countries are related with their capitals and no country is without a capital. Countries won't be without a capital. So, and here you see that some countries are mentioned here and their currency is mentioned here. So Mongolia with one USA, India, Pakistan and China. So here the countries are related with their currencies, and euro and dinar has no pre-images because its related countries are not mentioned here. So the rules for the functions are: every element of the left side, that means domain, should have the image in the right side codomain, and no element in the domain should have the two images in the codomain. So a relation to be a function, compulsory, if you stand before the mirror, you should get only the one image in the mirror. This is pre-image. This is image. If a man stands before a mirror, he should not get the two images. He will not get it. That's why it is such type of the things are not called functions. Names of the students in the class and date of birth. If it is taken into the consider, if it take the names of the students of the class in a set A and the date of birth of set B, then every student will have the only one date of birth, and there may be two students with the same date of birth. So that means two students may have the same date of birth. Whether this is a function or not, you guess? Yes, two students can have the same number, means two students can have the same image. Okay, so this the example you can take into consider as a function also in your real life example. Now let us see that all the elements of the domain has the images in the codomain. No element in the domain has two images in the codomain. So hence this relation is the function. Now let us see here. A and B are the two sets given here. All the elements in the domain have the images in the codomain. First element in the domain has two images in the codomain. Hence the relation is not a function. Such type two images should not be there. And suppose if any element of the domain is left empty, then also it is not a function. So this is, see here, whatever it is circle here, it is not having any image. So that's why it is not a function. So this is the main thing to understand what is a function. So notation for the some sets and numbers. N is a set of the real numbers and Z is a set of all the integers. Z plus is set of all the positive integers 1 to infinity the whole, and Z minus is set of all the negative integers. Q is the set of all the rational numbers which are in the form of the P by Q. Q plus is positive rational numbers. Q minus is set of negative numbers. I is the set of the irrational numbers. I is the set of the irrational numbers, and root 2, if whenever you take into consider here, root 2 is equals to root 3, root 5 and root 7. They are irrational numbers. R is the set of the real numbers. The set is also denoted by the capital R. In your textbooks, whenever you see that, it is given to you bold letters, and relation different from the real numbers. Relations can be, if you want to vary it, a relation will be denoted by R, and in your notebook if you want, some textbooks may be mentioned with like this. This represents the set of the real numbers, so do remember that point here. So real numbers are set of the rational numbers and irrational numbers all together. R plus is a set of the real numbers, R minus is a set of the natural. These are the things, and from this picture you can easily clearly understand that all the natural numbers are the subsets of the positive integers. That means along with the positive integers, if you are taking, and 0 is separate, negative integers all together integers, and here these are the rational numbers, and irrational numbers is completely different from the rational numbers, all together is considered as a real numbers. Okay, so these things can be taken into consider very easily. A function is normally denoted by f, and the pre-images are denoted by capital X. Example, if you are taking f is a function from n to n defined by the f of x is equals to x square. This function is relates every natural number with the its square. So that means in the set domain you are going to have the natural numbers, and the codomain you are going to have the squares of the numbers. But codomain is having the some elements with an empty, means which are not perfect squares. They will be empty here. See this. See, one is every element in the domain will have the image in the codomain. So there may be some elements without pre-images, but f of x square is a function. R plus to R is defined by root x. Root x stands for the square root of positive numbers only. So now what is meant by 1 function? Let us see. A function f from a to b is said to be a 1 function or an injective if different elements have different images in b. F is from a to b is a 1 function. To prove that 1 function, we have to take a not equals to b, and f of a equals to f of b you need to take into consider here. Okay, so 1 function to prove in another way is this one. F of a equal to f of b should be taken, and a equal to b you need to prove. So next, a function every pre-image has the individual image is called the 1 function. Means pre-images, if you are having the 1 individually images, that is called the 1 function. And let us see some examples of 1 function here. So here if you are seeing that this red color mentioned this and x, these two elements are having the same image, so that's why that is here this one. So it is not a 1 function. So can you guess that whether it is a function or not? First of all, here the two elements have the same image in set B, and this is not a 1 function. This function is many to one function. Many elements are related to one function, that's why it is called many to one function. Names of the students in your class and exam roll numbers. So everyone will have the unique roll number, so that's why it is a 1 function. So working rule to check whether given function is 1 function. Assume that first f of x equal to f of x2, and after solving x1 x equal to x2 the function is 1. Otherwise it is not 1 function. Now let us go for the onto function. So onto function is a function f from a to b is said to be a onto function, or the another name is surjection. In 1 function is injection. The another name for the 1 function is injection, and this is surjection. If every element of B is the image, f is the image of the elements in, that means here f of capital A represents that all the images of the domain. If all the images of the domain is nothing but that is range, that is called as a range. If the range is equals to the codomain, then it is called as a onto function. So let us see the diagrammatical representation of the onto function here. Suppose if you are seeing that here, yes, a function every element of the codomain has the pre-image in the domain is called the onto function. Means here every element should have the some pre-image. If no element in this codomain should left with empty, so then it is called as a onto function. Now let us see the another example here. One element in the set B has a no pre-image, so therefore this is 1 1 but not onto. So working rule is, consider y is belongs to any element belongs to the codomain, and let us consider that y is equals to f of x, express x in terms of y, check whether the x belongs to the domain or not. So then if x belongs to the domain, then it is 1 1 onto function, otherwise it is not onto function. So every element of the set has an individual image, and every element of the set B has a pre-images, then this function is called 1 1 and onto. Means if the function is both 1 1 and onto, this is the another name for this is bijection. It is called a bijective function. So names of the students of the class and exam roll numbers. This is a 1 1 function and a onto function. That's why it is called, the another name for the 1 1 and onto function is bijection. Okay, so note down that point. Now